So we have a new gallery and the system's dropped us straight into that gallery. So let's have a look at uploading some images. You can see in the middle I could use the Add Photos button here. Or if this is an existing gallery and I already have some images loaded, then I could also use the Add Files button to the top right. Either of these options is going to launch an upload file dialog box for us. So I can select images in my Finder window and hit open, and that will trigger an upload job for us. Alternatively, I could also come over to a spare Finder window or Windows Explorer window if you're on a PC. I can select, drag, and then drop a selection of images onto my interface, and that's also going to trigger the upload job for us. You can see we get a little bit of feedback regarding the upload status of each image, as well as an overview of the overall job. Now, something else to look at here, if you have any trouble getting this upload method working, have a look at the Popup Uploader button here to the top right, especially for larger upload jobs where you might have hundreds of images to upload in one hit, or for users of Internet Explorer 9 or below. This will be a more robust upload method for you. Down the bottom here, I have an Add Photos button. I can click that. Again, that's going to trigger an upload dialog box for me, and I can select images that way, hit open. That will bring those images into my upload window, and I can then hit the Start Upload button to trigger that job. I'm going to close that out for the moment and come back to my original window. Now, one other thing to have a look at here is the file naming convention I've used for my images. A little bit boring, but rather than using image 1, image 2, image 3, and so on, you'll notice that I've got image 0001, 0002, and so on. So this is what we call a leading zero file naming convention, and it basically just ensures that the sorting algorithm can work nicely with your file names. So for example, if I were to sort these descending now by file name, the algorithm can just pick those up and flick them around for us. Especially important to note that if I had images 10, 11, 12, and so on, they would actually be numbered 0010, 0011, 0012, and so forth. So worth having a look at that when you upload your images. That convention will make sure that your images sort as you would expect them to. So very quickly, notice again that if I select multiple images here, again I have access to this bulk edit tool at the bottom, similar to the galleries, and I can drag and drop in order to custom sort those. I can select multiple and move them around in that way. If I mouse over each image, you'll notice that I've got access to an edit tool here. That's the pencil icon. I can also double click on the image to edit and access the image properties. I can use the cross icon to delete, and this here is a share icon. So lots to look at there. Let's go now and have a look at our live site by hitting the View Site button. That's going to launch that for me. I'm now going to hit the portfolio link to the top right, and down the bottom here is my new gallery. Click on there. That's a password protected gallery, but it's let me straight in because I actually went in earlier through an earlier session. And here at the bottom are my 6 newly uploaded images. Fantastic, so that's image uploading. Have a go at that, and then we can move on in the next lesson to setting a cover image for the gallery.